1, 2, 3.
Oh
Oh God, guys, this is so cool.
मेरे विंटर वासियों
hi guys.
हेलो, हाय गाइस,
नहीं but
कैसे हैं आप लोग?
honestly I was thinking अभी कि मतलब हम लोगों को कितना टाइम हो गया like almost like 1 साल होने वाला है दूर गए हुए like
हम्म,
actually मैं अभी
Wow.
सोच रहा था जब मैं कॉफी बनाने गया right
हाँ
Is
वो
it like
एक्चुअली
10
एक
months?
या 10 months,
yeah मतलब अभी
10
हो ही
months,
जाएगा 1 साल
10 months,
My
या
हाँ and I'm
goodness.
like for those who are watching this हम लोग इसलिए ऐसा बोल रहे हैं because हम लोग पूरे टाइम साथ में रहते थे from last 2 years like
या
उसके पहले से हम जानते हैं but from last 2 years we were like after college we were all living together friends के जैसा
10
but फ्लैट्स ऐसा आमने सामने नहीं थे आगे पीछे थे मतलब थोड़े दूर दूर थे फ्लैट्स but then eventually हम लोग somehow we used to meet at the coffee shop it was actually a tea
गोकुलधाम, ऐसा गोकुलधाम सोसाइटी था, नीचे आके सब मिलो है ना।
yeah we used to meet at Chai Sutta bar so we are gonna
and what
give a shout out to Chai Sutta bar
या
Hyderabad
yeah
चाय सुट्टा बार।
we missed you guys
have their amazing Maggie and their amazing coffee.
Oh my
yeah
God.
the
थैंक यू फॉर द अमेजिंग फ्रेंच
Masala
फ्राइज।
Maggi, double masala
उनका
Maggi.
केसर केसर चाय वाज माय फेवरेट यार वो वाला तो
That,
और वो
that.
चीज सैंडविच,
और ये मैगी रे चीज मैगी और
yeah
पनीर
double
मसाला
double
मैगी।
double masala Maggi.
और डबल मसाला
Yeah,
मैगी
yeah, double masala Maggi. Okay, so we are here to answer few questions, a
या
lot of questions actually. And so, who is going to host this whole show? Someone please raise your hands.
Let Summer host the show.
या
Yeah.
So anyway, let's do one thing. We are all going to like ask questions one by one. Okay, to like we'll read the other person's questions. Okay, like that. Okay.
या
So yeah, let's start. Before like before we like start with the Q&A, let's like all of us give everyone an update of where we are and what we are doing right now. Okay, so let's start with Paurush.
आई एम डाउन साउथ, साउथ ऑफ इंडिया, विशाखापट्टनम, आंध्र प्रदेश। बस
इतना
लॉकडाउन गॉट
कूल
मी हियर।
तरीके से बोला डाउन साउथ है
Yeah,
I
I
just
was,
went south, man. I just
I
went
was
south.
like, where is that?
नहीं यार मैं तो एक्चुअली पुणे में हूँ
Yeah,
आई मीन तो इट्स तो आप तब
Pune.
से ही पुणे में 10
What
महीने
is
से
your
पुणे में
address for people, for fans?
आई लिव इन आई
Yeah.
एक्चुअली लिव एट
good one, good one.
हाँ यार
This
बैंगलोर में
reminds
तो
me कि लोग पहली बार आर्या की actual voice सुन रहे होंगे. So Arya, just say like hi to
Yeah.
everyone.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So
Life's so strange.
for those who don't know, आर्या की
Hi,
आवाज
guys.
जो
How are you?
सीरीज में है वो एक बहुत ही अच्छी एक हमारी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है रमशा वो डब करती है एंड
So
उसके बारे में
wonderful.
हम और बताएंगे बिहाइंड द सीन वाले वीडियो so let's continue. Shubhu, where are you?
शाउट आउट टू रमशा
Yeah, shout
Yeah.
out to Ramsha. We all love
Yeah,
her.
Shout out to
we love
Ramsha.
you.
Yay! She's the
You're
best.
the best.
तो हाँ किसको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर शिवम
Yeah, Shubhu, like where are you right now? What are you doing?
Right now I'm back in my hometown, Kolkata.
Where do
For
you
a
live?
few months.
ये
I
रसगुल्ले
live
जैसा
in
फिल्टर
Bombay.
ये
Roshaballa.
रसगुल्ले जैसा फिल्टर इसलिए डाला है
क्या
Filter looks
filter
like
कहाँ दिख
full
रहा है
retro
तुमको?
style, her camera. No, it looks very nice. Like you look
It
like
looks
some very nice
very
vintage camera. ऐसा नहीं
random.
लग रहा पौरुष के पीछे बिल्डिंग है वो एवरशाइन वाली
हाँ.
नहीं ये तो पता क्या लग रहा है शिवम में अपना वॉल है जहाँ पे पोस्टर्स लगे थे ना अंदर तेरे रूम में
हाँ
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 ऐसा ऐसा दूर से देखो ऐसा लग रहा है स्टार्स खड़े हैं पीछे उसके.
अरे
Like,
मैंने एकदम पूरा सारा सेटअप बना रखा है। ये मेरा लैंप है इधर ऐसा,
अरे
और यहाँ पे ऐसा लैंप है, और इधर एक और लैंप है।
मैंने भी लगा के रखा है कि मेरा ये वाला बहुत कम लाइट दे रहा है.
इतना कम दिखता है यार
नहीं, वो तेरे को देखने के लिए ना, तेरे को देखने के लिए तो मैंने ब्राइटनेस बढ़ाया अपने लैपटॉप का 100% किया, तब भी तू नहीं दिख रहा है।
ये डाल रहे क्या हम ये डाल रहे हैं
I'm not going to edit all of this. So for those who don't know, like for people, everyone, this is something we miss a lot. पौरुष और रोहित का लड़ना हर शाम को बिफोर डिनर, ये
Fire
लोग का लड़ाई शुरू हो जाता था.
कोल्ड वॉर्स.
वेरी नाइस, लाइक
relationship.
आधा एक घंटा मस्त लड़ाई चलती थी और उसके बाद दोनों साथ में खूब अच्छे से हम फिर एंजॉय करते थे, जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं.
For
Yeah,
that, you should check out Rohit's vlogs. You'll get
Yeah.
to
Oh,
appreciate
We
yeah.
pranked
हाँ,
पौरुष
There-
वाला.
हाँ, एक वीडियो है.
सबसे टॉप व्यू था उसमें. तेरी
अबे
वजह
that video, वो वीडियो अभी भी पता है मेरी फाड़ देता है जब भी मैं सोचता हूँ like, क्या
मैं भी
पता
टाइम
रियल
पास
में हो
में
जाए.
देख रही थी, वो पता है.
Like,
हाँ वो तो
what if it happens in real, क्या हो जाएगा?
वो तो हर साल का ऐसा ऐड होता है कंपाइलेशन 2021 2022 प्रैंक.
every
हर
time.
साल का ऐसा.
Like my
People
friends are
update,
like, he's so
reels.
cute, and you guys are like torturing him. Like people really think Varun is cute. Okay, all
No.
of them, all of them.
He is like very cute. Like even we thought before we became friends with him.
We thought.
We
Operating
thought-
word being
Even we thought.
We love you
We
for
had.
Yeah, at
Thought
least I look like Cole Sprouse.
You look like Sprout. You don't look like Cole Sprout. यार पता है तो मैंने सोचा था
हाँ,
मतलब I had thought about this like quite a while ago, but then situation ऐसा हो गया था कि जब तू ट्रेलर रिलीज करने वाला था ना,
हाँ.
I thought of telling you to remove all Porush parts and then first show.
We played another prank with Porush.
Yeah.
हाँ, मैं मुस्कुरा रहा हूँ एकदम, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं
ऐसा
जैसे.
मतलब for example,
And I'm sure वो ट्रेलर देखने के बाद पौरुष का रिएक्शन होता है कि अच्छा है, good है. वो कुछ बोलता नहीं, like
अरे
वो
मैं
seriously
तो
ले
बोलता
लेता.
हूँ ऐसा मतलब खतरनाक, मतलब एक तो उसका कोई भी शॉट नहीं, ठीक है, एक लॉन्ग शॉट बस रख देंगे, ठीक है, ऐसा वो लास्ट में
मैं
वाइड
बहुत दूर से आया हूँ.
एंगल पीछे से.
वो लास्ट में ड्रोन शॉट है ना, गुमशुदा, बस उस
तुझे
वो ही
बोलना
उसमें आएगा,
चाहिए
दैट्स
था.
इट. ठीक है.
बताना था ना, अपन एक पहले वही
हाँ.
निकालते हैं.
Private
And then-
screen होता
एंड
वो.
देन कास्ट वाले लिस्ट में इसका नाम नहीं होगा, ठीक है. कहीं पे भी इसका नाम नहीं होगा, ऐसा
अरे
तो है.
देखो वो याद है when that guy messaged him saying कि मैं आपका डबिंग कर रहा हूँ, तो हमें क्या लगा.
Oh yeah. Okay. So for all the people who don't know, हम लोगों ने प्लान किया था कि हम विंटर स्टोरी को 10 लैंग्वेजेस में रिलीज करेंगे. लाइक सिर्फ मुझे पता था इस बारे में, किसी को भी नहीं, और सरप्राइज देना चाहता था मैं. एंड मैंने सबको बता रखा था जो लोग डब कर रहे हैं अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में कि कोई बताना मत किसी को. बट एक who's dubbing for Varun in which language? I think one of the languages. So that guy messaged, like he was very excited and he was very happy. So he messaged Porush on Instagram saying कि I'm so excited, I'm dubbing for Varun's character. And Porush
like-
thought that
I was
he's
like,
like,
excuse me? I'm like, what the
his
So
voice is being
Porush-
changed.
so he did not reply to that guy. He took a screenshot and he sent it to me, and that was the first thing I saw in the morning. And he sent me the screenshot. He wrote, "ये क्या है?" So I was
मतलब ये
like,
क्या मजाक है?
"अरे."
ये प्रैंक है क्या? फिर से क्या प्रैंक है?
So then I had to tell Porush कि like we are dubbing
भरोसा ही उठ गया उसका.
different language.
थिंग इज वो एक्सपेक्ट करता भी है कि हम कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, कुछ.
So we'll start. Rachel.
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, so first question is for Varun. Rashi Desai is asking, Varun, how's your life now, and how is your acting career going on?
Actually मेरा acting career तो ऐसे ही चल रहा है. I'm just giving auditions. I'm just going with the flow. And right now तो I'm in Visakhapatnam because of coronavirus. पहले मैं रायपुर गया मुंबई से, and then now I'm in Visakhapatnam. And now we are moving ahead with Winter Story.
Okay, next question is for Raghav. Rashi Desai is asking, you seriously work in office or you too are a student?
I mean, yeah, so while shooting, I was working pretty hard. I had a very boring life, like it was there in the series. But then,
White shirt.
Huh?
White shirt.
White shirt, yeah.
White shirt job.
So it was pretty convenient. ऐसा ऑफिस से white shirt में आता था, and then ऐसे direct shoot में set में.
कि मैं कैमरा लेके रेडी रहता था.
Yeah. And I should look tired also. Shot में भी tiredness की जरूरत थी, तो फिर एकदम natural आ गया था, you know. And then
Shivam used to be like, guys, 10 मिनट में रेडी हो जाओ, 15 मिनट में शूट कर लेंगे, बस हो जाएगा, आज हो ही जाएगा.
सब
Like
Seriously,
Raghav's life is as boring as his wardrobe. बस वही है.
No, but seriously, like it was possible because of these guys जो कि अपना time दे देते थे. Because कोई और होता तो बहुत annoy हो जाता. And plus मुंबई में when you come like 2 घंटा travel करके, so it's very annoying. और मैं इन लोगों को बोलता था कि guys अभी बहुत annoying लगेगा, but बाद में it will
हाँ
be
नहीं
nice.
मतलब like we kind of understood वो एकदम वो ethical बैठ जाता है वो चीज तो फिर then you get used to it. That's
No,
it.
Shivam, we used to get annoyed, but we loved you even more than that. So
Uh,
Yeah.
ऐसा घर आते
Love you
कॉफी
too,
वॉफी
guys.
रेडी रखता तो
नहीं
फिर
नहीं
हाँ,
मैं तो डर के मारे
coffee.
शूट करता था.
घर आके
Summer special coffee I miss.
नहीं घर आके ऐसा सब रेडी रखता था गाइस मैं आइस टी बना के देता हूँ प्लीज शूट करो I'm like अरे then yeah I mean like then eventually I did quit my job and 9 महीने के ब्रेक के बाद I'm again working in Pune so yeah back to old life.
Rashi Desai is asking.
Let's all say hi to
वो- अरे
Rashi.
Hi,
Hi,
Rashi.
Hi
hi
Rashi.
Hi,
Rashi, hi
Rashi.
Rashi.
Hi.
Thank you
How
for
did you
sprinkling your
feel?
love and questions on us.
Yeah, fun.
How did you feel, Arya, when you saw people recognizing you?
Oh, that was surreal. Like you can't. I get confused how to talk to them. Like, cause they are not looking at me like as a normal person. So I don't know how to talk to them whenever they like come to me and like, oh, you're Rachel. Like, I'm like, yeah. Plus, they don't know my voice, so I don't want to disappoint them also. It's my original voice.
I
Your
think वो
voice is
question सबसे ज़्यादा पूछते हैं लोग इससे कि is it your real
हाँ,
voice?
is it a real voice? And some people are like, कि, oh man, I love your voice. I'm like, thanks, but I feel like I'm cheating Ramsha. So then I tell them, like, it was dubbed by this wonderful person. Huh. She's the other half of Rachel, bigger
Yeah.
part of it. Okay, I'll ask
हाँ.
this. Zoya is asking, do you really like Raghav? Not in the series, but in real life. Do you? Do you?
Of course, I like Raghav in real life. I love Raghav. He's like Rohit was my first friend in the whole group, and it is through Rohit that I got to know the rest of them. So
Yeah.
that's
That's one
yeah.
thing we all are thankful to
What
Rohit
Rohit?
for.
The only thing.
So,
The
Yeah,
only
the only thing. He served his purpose.
so yeah, Rohit is he's obviously like someone who's very very close to me. Like if I have to share something, I go to Rohit, and if I have to fight, I go to Rohit usse bhi pehle. So it's Rohit is extremely special. So I don't just fight with Raghav in the series, I fight with Rohit in real life too.
It was method acting by both of us.
very cute.
Method
Yeah.
acting.
Method acting.
Method acting.
A lot
Method
of
acting.
times they were fighting and मैं camera लेके चला गया. Let's just capture
मतलब
it.
cut.
वो emotion
Even after
रखो,
saying
emotion
cut, they
रखो.
used to still be fighting.
Yeah. Came naturally to both
After
of
that,
us.
cut बोलने के बाद भी लड़ रहे.
We is still
Cut.
fighting.
Cut it यार, cut it.
I'm not interested
Came
यार. Cut
naturally,
it.
guys.
I'm not interested. Cut it यार.
Yeah, so Raghav / Rohit is very, very special. So yeah.
Right.
Cut.
Next
This was very real, natural.
Yeah.
I'm not fake like Rohit. Anyway.
ये देखो ये अभी कट करना पड़ेगा.
बंदी जो की ना ये रखो ये दिखाओ लोगों को.
Imagine if I keep all of this.
Yeah, question for Summer.
So Summer, I have a question for you from Dia Rana. First of all, I love you, Summer. So can you describe yourself in 3 words?
I love you too, Dia Rana. Dia, right?
Yeah.
Dia. I love you too, Dia Rana. And Summer is. I think these guys will give one word for Summer, right? Please, guys.
Summer is the best.
What do you think?
I mean, you also give yourself a word.
Two things I can say. He's like very honest, and one is
I was going to
he's
say
very
that.
yeah, and he's like a old school, romance kind of a guy.
Mm.
Like, yeah, that's
Yeah.
not a word, but then yeah, he's honest. Like, rest, you guys give me one word for someone.
Pulsar?
I think he's a very empathetic person, and I mean, I can give two words actually.
Let
He's
me
an
Google
empathetic.
empathetic.
Yeah, Summer is actually very empathetic.
He's very
He's very
empathetic person, and he's very
he's
loving.
he's very he's very poetic.
He's very loving in real life, and the character also. He's very loving and caring.
Summer is same like Shivam. Very caring,
Yeah.
kind, warm.
Wait, मेरा आवाज
Like
चला
you
गया?
won't ever feel awkward with him.
Summer
Yes,
is a
you're
very
meeting for the first
soothing
time.
presence in your life.
Yeah.
हेलो या सॉरी तुम लोग का आवाज चला गया था क्या बोल रहे हो
हाँ तक सुनाई दिया compliment.
सिर्फ सिर्फ वो शुभू लास्ट जो बोली इज वेरी पैथेटिक वहां तक ही
Summer, according to me, Summer and Shivam, both of them, they are a very soothing presence in your life. Like they'll be extremely
Yeah, he's
supportive,
very loving. He's
caring.
loving and caring in
Yeah.
real life and as a character also.
Very
Yeah,
warm. Same. Same
yeah.
qualities in both.
He's
So,
like chai.
like,
Is
of
it?
all my friends, there's
Right.
nobody I
Like
have
chai, chai, chai.
loved this quickly as a guy friend. Like it has taken me a long, long time with the rest of them, but with Shivam, it came pretty easily because of the sort of person he is.
Mhm.
Of course,
That
lovable.
I
smile,
love
that
you all
smile,
so much.
that smile wins the heart.
We love you too. We love you too.
We love you.
I love you much.
Okay, Raghav. So this is a question from Vaishnavi_05. Why are you so intense in a summer story and would love to see you with a smiling face? थोड़ा मुस्कुराया कर.
I think this is the most natural self of mine. I am continuously smiling. I'm not khadus. I'm not intense in real life. I mean, I might be a bit, but then like I do smile. I do. But the series, my character was like that, and probably at that point of time, like I said, I was actually frustrated, thoda sa. So it used to come out like that. But they took advantage of my mood back then, and
Yeah.
तो असली में भी intense है ना तो बस ऐसे आ जा इसमें.
I
It
think
kind of
I think
became like
Raghav was like
I think season
not
2
a
में और
rude guy.
ज्यादा
He's more of
strong
a
होगा.
like he's
He's
really
reserved.
involved and he really loves like like he's very involved in his work and
He's
I
not
think
so
he's
too
just too focused
focused.
there.
competitive.
He's
Yeah, too
not
focused.
Yeah.
like that like the
He's
first scene only of the
headstrong.
series where we are discussing that you should separate your personal life and professional. So he's in that zone where he's
Right.
confused and that is a very natural state where we all like go through like it's that
I
stage.
really love a shot. If you guys remember, if you guys have seen the teaser, there's this shot, Mira. I think the lift wala. I think
Yeah,
Hovi na.
yeah.
I think
Hmm.
that thing I felt like reflects a lot of my character, like from the show. It says a lot
Yeah,
about my character. That shot. So I think. I mean, I'm not
exactly.
intense in real life, so don't.
Plus in Winter Story, I'm sure you will see him,
Yeah,
smiling and
yeah.
enjoying a
Yeah,
lot,
Yeah,
he
yeah,
will
a
smile.
absolutely.
lot.
Yeah. More than
Agree.
Yeah,
Summer Story.
definitely.
More
Yeah.
comic
Summer
than
Story
it.
was actually like a very small preview of all of us life. Like,
Yeah.
it was a very small glimpse. It was like a
And
glimpse.
towards the end of the Summer Story, also, I think our lives got better. That's the transition we want to be showing in
Yeah.
Winter Story.
Okay, next question is for Varun.
Hmm.
So H2 always is asking, really love your comic timing. How to bring about such comic timings in series or short films?
Well, first of all, thank you so much, and thank you so much, and I'm glad that you like my comic timing. And I don't know, बस हो जाता है. I think maybe because I've suffered a lot, and in the end, they're all just funny incidents to me, and that is why I just make some funny things out of it, and just it comes out naturally. बस वही है.
I
Porush
mean,
is an
like,
extremely funny guy. Like his
Extremely fun.
Varun
he's
is
Oh
like,
yeah.
Porush, his
Varun is
comic
perfect.
Yeah,
timing is Porush's comic
yeah.
timing.
Varun
Like
is like 80% of me,
Hmm.
Yeah.
amalgamation of me.
I
Definitely.
mean,
living in
that is
the
very true because it was again very easy deciding that's how Varun's character is going to be because
Yeah.
he's
And
like
the
that.
thing he's saying, he has been through a lot.
Naturally.
So all those incidents from his
बाहर
life,
बाहर ऐसे
every
जो
time we used
करता
to
है
sit together, हाँ, तो ये हमें अपने वो किस्से सुनाता था बचपन के, and the way he used to narrate,
The way
he
he
used to
used to,
narrate in a very
yes,
funny way, like
yeah.
like stand-up comedians. So like he's naturally very funny, very
and the
funny.
best
Uh,
part is now
because
it comes naturally. He
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
do it or like think of it. वो ऐसे
And
बोलता ही ऐसा है.
actually in real life he's funnier.
he's
Way more
funnier.
Actually, yes.
funnier.
Actually, yeah.
Way,
Than,
way.
way
and
funnier
that's
than
how you
Varun.
get people interested in you. Yeah.
Cut it, yaar. Cut it. Cut it.
He's
Cut this.
very funny, like
Cut
actually.
this shit.
Yeah,
So there's not a dull moment with Porish around.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oh, definitely.
actually.
Never a dull.
So even when he's telling us कुछ serious, तो वो funny sound, हम लोग को इतनी आदत हो गई
हो
इसके मुंह से कुछ
जाता है।
funny सुनने की, ये कुछ serious भी बताता है, हम लोग पहले हंस देते हैं, and then we
हाँ,
react
when
कि
you
oh
were
अच्छा.
saying कि I've suffered a lot, we all
Yeah.
Yeah, so we all, yeah, that's right.
we love you. We are
Yeah,
not.
of
Yeah.
course, we
I
all.
love you guys more.
We all love you.
But Swani is asking, dear Summer,
Hmm.
what taught you to be so calm while carrying tornadoes within you?
I think समर के साथ यही है कि उसकी जो past story है, that is like very बहुत like sad kind of है, जिसका एक like I think धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे हम आगे और story देखेंगे, so you guys will see. For example, summer story में हमने सिर्फ सुनी थी, आगे हम लोग और उसे देखेंगे. एंड जैसे कि वरुण और राघव ने नरेट किया था टू रेचल पार्ट ऑफ इट, ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी यू नो, एंड देन सडनली जस्ट वन डे सब वो हो गया. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट, लाइक वो उसके मन में रह गई वो चीज़, लाइक वो कभी एक ऐसा सॉर्ट नहीं हुई, वट एवर इट इज. ही इज वेरी काम बिकॉज वो बहुत पहले जब तक कोई चीज समझ ना आ जाए वो उस पर रिएक्ट करता ही नहीं है. So that's why वो still he is figuring out what exactly happened with Shreya. When he met Rachel, he's still figuring out कि he really liked her vibes and all, but वो still बहुत डर रहा था. And he's a very like he likes to be very careful with things. He doesn't want to hurt anyone. That's why when Raghav asked कि why don't you just tell her you like her? So he's like, yeah, I like her. She's very nice, but then I'm still confused. तो अभी मैं नहीं चाहता बोलना. Maybe I'll hurt her feelings. So it's just the things he's been through that has made him very, very sensitive. And eventually it looks like he's very calm because he's always processing it. And
Nice.
Summer term like equals calmness, I feel.
there's one question for Isha. Why doesn't she add more duration in Summer Story? Is she handling the camera? Sai Supreet is asking. So Sai Supreet, actually, it was very when we were planning to make Summer Story, so like it was very difficult to get people, like not difficult like because it was difficult for them because they were all busy. Like Rohit was working, Rachel was working, Isha was working, everyone was like Varun was also somewhere working, so it was very difficult to convince everyone. So somehow I like, and plus like all of us are somewhere still related, like somewhere into acting, but Isha was completely like she was into advertising. She is into advertising and Love Shubhu. And I tried convincing her, and I just like she agreed. She's very, very sweet. She just agreed to do the part. That is already the biggest, contribution she was doing. But then I was from my end, I was like, I won't give her too much work initially. So I was just like, I'll like thoda thoda. But then eventually when we were working on Isha Vaisa Wala, and plus Summer Story, भाई बहुत glimpse दिखा. Winter Story mein you will see a complete character Isha ka throughout. She
It's
is one of
almost
the
a
lead.
character introduction. It's like an entire.
Literally,
Yeah.
हाँ.
So,
वो सिर्फ like Summer Story was only a teaser. Now you'll see an entire
yeah,
movie as well.
yeah, actually.
Yeah.
And I personally I'll say her character is one of the best in Winter Story. Like she's her whole
Sweetest character.
her character is very real. Like I I was explaining them while I was like we were working on this also, and there were some behind the scenes where she used to ask me, why is she being so like still being so nice when Raghav is being like this, and I used to tell like just like do like there are people like that, it happens. And then eventually Raghav also understands after a while, and all that things I've seen like people like that. And Shubha is also like, she is in real life, she's very like that. So I think all the characters are like somehow connected only. Wait, we'll ask another question. So Nandita Kadam is asking which stream you took in class 11.
I ran away from. Hi, Nandita, before this. So I ran away from science and commerce and maths like the first chance I got. Like class 10 khatam karke, I was like, "Duk, duk, duk, duk." Just
Dun 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 dun
go
dun.
to go to humanities, live in peace. I was always interested in literature, so I knew that humanities is for me. I was interested in English literature. That is what I studied. So that was peaceful for me. So my main motive was to run away from maths.
Very strong and relatable motive.
Very, I think, pretty generic.
बाईपीसी लिया था मैंने कंप्यूटर्स
Okay, and हाँ
मैथ
Rachel, what?
कुछ भी क्या मैथ्स को हटाने के लिए
अच्छा.
दिख रहे हैं इसलिए स्विगी वाले को 50 के जगह 500 देता था ये मैच हटा दिया ना.
रेचल क्या कह रही थी, क्या कहता 2 महीने?
हाँ, before I joined humanities for 2 months, I was preparing for IIT. But then I got too depressed, so my dad
How
was
many of
like,
you actually? I was also preparing for IIT, then I quit it.
Yeah, I was
it wasn't
preparing.
my
But
decision.
I gave
Like
my
my dad
mains.
understood.
I gave my mains. I gave VIT, SRM, Manipal, all these entrance exams. And then
yeah,
I
I was
I
decided.
also
joined it
preparing.
as a bribe. My dad was like, you give the entrance exam. If you give, just give. I'll take you to Goa. So मैंने दे दिया. Then I got selected. So I had to like I did 2 months in phase. Then I left because it wasn't for me. So
So, but then
मैंने
yeah,
तो कुछ भी नहीं दिया आई डिसअपॉइंटेड माय पेरेंट्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम अगो सो दे वर लाइक कि रहने दे भाई तू कर तेरे को जो करना है
तो वो नहीं टूट चुकी थी घर पे.
हाँ
मैंने बोला पौरुष के घर पे उम्मीदें टूट चुकी थी.
हाँ
Yeah.
वो भी real आया
you
है.
you can't disappoint your parents if you never made them proud in the first place
Damn. How did you leave like IIT ka stream, Rohit? How did you switch to mass media?
अरे so then like I was not happy doing it anyway. तो मैं कर ही रहा था क्योंकि सब लोग कर रहे थे. Peer pressure. It was like a peer pressure ना. You see so many people just doing engineering. You feel कि if you do something else, you're taking a risk. So
And plus
that.
बोल देते हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग कर लो फिर जो करना कर लेना, वैसा हो जाता है. हाँ
फिर तो ऐसे ऐसे
But then बोलने में आसान है, but actually 3-4 साल निकल जाते. That's a lot. उसके
Yeah,
बाद क्या ही
yeah. I think it was the best decision, not because of engineering, but engineering is amazing
No,
for
it's
people who
about
are
like
interested in engineering.
it's about interest, and I think we all are here because of the decisions we made.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah
So,
God's
Deep
plan
inside we were
Yeah.
gone.
I too, I was preparing for IIT because someone told me you can still go to Mumbai if you clear IIT and you get IIT Bombay. Like you see the dreams they were showing. So I used to study a lot. I left everything, my mobile, everything, and I used to study. And somehow I cleared my main stuff for advance. I couldn't, and I had options to go to NITs, but only certain cities ka. And I thought, no, I want to go to Mumbai. So I started giving admission engineering colleges ke. And then I got in Narsi Munji. And then we were traveling there. And हम लोग road trip से गए थे. So हम लोग शिरडी में रुके थे. And like to like first we'll visit temple and all, and then we'll go from there. So Shirdi mein, I was like to my parents, just like in Tamasha, I was like, I have decided I'm not interested in engineering. And this is when we are going to pay the fees and everything. And after a lot of dramatic conversation, हम लोग वापस कार से शिरडी से भोपाल आ गए. That 10
I
hours
think
road
I
trip
think
was the most
that was the best blessing you could have received
Yeah.
from
Yeah,
Shirdi.
now when I think about it, when I was there, it was like that whole road trip was so depressing. Like
अगर
everyone
अगर
was
अगर
just quiet
अगर
in it.
अगर तूने फ्लाइट लिया होता तो क्या पता शायद नहीं होता. डायरेक्ट
Yeah,
बॉम्बे का फ्लाइट लिया होता तो तू
exactly,
नाची मुंजी में होता.
हाँ,
So
ना लेते
exactly.
फिर
you know.
Actually,
So yeah,
yeah.
सही है.
Chalo, let's continue the Q&A.
Okay, so the next question is for Rachel.
Hmm.
Hey, Abhay, this is by Avdoot _V_M_M_0603. Hey Rachel, तुम और शिवम स्कूल बडीज हो और कहाँ मिले तुम? I mean, it's a question. क्या तुम स्कूल बडीज हो and कहाँ मिले तुम?
I wish हम लोग school buddies होते क्योंकि that would have been some other level of fun. And क्या था? कहाँ मिले
कहाँ
हम
पे
लोग?
मिले?
कहाँ मिले तुम?
College,
हम मिले कॉलेज में.
second year. Like, so, हाँ, so like this will be something new. So guys, हम लोग सब एक ही कॉलेज से हैं. And
हाँ.
me and Porish, हम लोग एक ही क्लास में हैं. And हमसे junior रोहित और आर्या हैं.
और
हम
And
लोग classmates.
me and
हम दोनों
Rohit
class-
are
and
classmates.
ये लोग
yeah.
classmates हैं, रोहित and
Porish and
आर्या.
Shivam were classmates.
Yeah, हम लोग classmates हैं. And Shubhu is technically like हमारी senior, I
Yeah.
guess, right? है
Yeah.
ना?
But she like she's senior
हाँ.
but she joined late but she's a
Yeah, she
senior.
joined late, so.
Yeah.
But then हमें लगा ही नहीं कभी उससे मिलके कि she is a senior, so that's why
Yeah.
she is with us.
I
She's
never
so-
grew up
That's
here.
what
no.
not cute. हाँ, so I wish हम school में मिले होते and we met in college.
Yeah.
We've been friends for 4 years, I think.
Where do you guys meet though? Like college में, like how did you guys class में?
College में we met outside canteen.
Yeah. There was some MUN going on and I had called her. So yeah, that's
उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
I was just like going into entering the canteen and he was coming out of the canteen and there was this MUN का registration going on.
And
So
yeah, so I was the GS of college that year. So
No
so I was supposed to invite everyone. So
Slipped
So-
it in. Slipped it
Slip-
in.
slide in.
So yeah.
Sneak.
So I took advantage of that and I was like, hey, what's your name? Yeah. So there was an MUN going on. Please join in the seminar hall. And
Random, not so random meeting.
वो सेमिनार हॉल में
never-
थोड़ा सा खाली खाली हो गया था तो भरना था.
Cool. Next question is for Isha. Shubhu, which character do you like the most?
Raghav.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Uh,
we all love Raghav.
Thank you guys. I love you all. Too.
I love all characters.
I know show में कम देखा होगा but I do love you guys. show में just that is not how it is guys. So show में I've been made to like hey चल यार मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, you guys do it, I'm not coming, but वैसा I mean I
Okay,
love
that
you.
way we
He's
can
lying. He's exactly like that.
way we can talk about the new year. Okay.
Exactly like that.
So I think let people watch the new year episode and then we will reveal
Yeah.
हाँ
How-
हाँ actually वो New
how
Year
it
में
was
so
inspired from real.
by the way
events.
there was a New Year episode and then जो New Year में हुआ था वो actually में I mean that was
Actually,
That
we
was
will put at the end of that episode.
Inspired from real life.
Real. Yeah.
Okay, I have one question for Raghav. So Kirti Thakur is asking, Raghav, why aren't you uploading any YouTube videos? P.S. I love your voice.
First of all, thank you, Kirti. And secondly, I quit my job in Jan 20 and Jan 2020, and after that I had I had my free time to do whatever I wanted, and tabhi I used to give out a few auditions with these people, and tabhi side by side to be productive I used to make vlogs, and in case of content milna it was pretty easy because we all were living together and drone uda diya, skateboard khareed liya, which it was easy, we used to create content if required. But then once I came back to Pune, I guess I made 2 vlogs, but uske baad I wasn't able to find the right content,
मेरे को भी कंटेंट के लिए यूज किया जाता था.
I mean, even Pune आने के बाद I tried using Porish because वो prank
Yeah.
video release किया था
Try
मैंने.
using
But
Porish.
that वो भी इसके through ही कर पाया था, वरना it wasn't really possible in Pune. But then let's see. If I get good content, I will really post it because I want to. मुझे बस post करने के नाम पे I just don't want to post anything ऐसा. you know. So I'm waiting for good content, and I will maybe it'll just come out kabhi bhi surprise. I won't tell you guys. Kabhi bhi aa sakta hai, kal bhi aa sakta hai. Yeah. So yes, thank you for watching the vlogs also. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I have a question here from Kirti Thakur again, Parush. Aren't you planning
Yeah.
on aren't you planning any pranks to take revenge?
Oh,
Oh.
damn.
Yeah, actually, I have a lot of things in mind, but
Tell
the
be 2 साल हो गया कुछ
wait,
नहीं कर
chup, the sad
It
part
will
is
go
he's in
so
Pune right now.
wrong.
I can't do anything
Even
right
if
now.
Forrest tries something, it will go so wrong.
Yeah.
Parush needs time to plan now. You both. But Parush, I have one more question. I'm gonna like fatafat ask. This is by Gauri Sethia.
Yeah.
Why the hell is he so damn cute? Loads of love. Answer no. Why are you so cute?
And you better ask my parents that. Even I don't know why I'm so cute. Well, thank you so much for that.
क्या यार,
Oh,
इतना safe answer दिया है.
Forrest, there is one question. Talk
Yeah.
a little about your first love.
Ah, yeah. Okay. So my first love was when I was in sixth standard, and she was a very वो टॉपर टाइप की स्टूडेंट थी, और मैं उसके सामने मतलब बहुत इन्फीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स था मेरा, और कभी कभी मैं सोचता था, देयर वर टाइम्स आई यूज्ड टू क्राई कि मतलब मैं उससे शादी क्यों नहीं कर सकता, एंड यू नो ऑल दीस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स मेरे साथ होता था. एंड या इट वाज अ
बदला ही
ब्यूटीफुल
नहीं है
मेमोरी.
ये बंदा, बदला ही नहीं है. अभी का but then
So
हाँ,
yeah,
continue.
so it was a beautiful one-sided love story, और सिक्स्थ के साथ ही खत्म हो गई क्योंकि मेरा फिर क्लास शिफ्ट हो गया. बस वही है.
oh, that.
Nice. बहुत
Yeah.
बहुत बहुत दर्द था.
अभी है क्या?
बहुत
कहीं
दर्द
पे-
था इस स्टोरी में.
कहीं
बहुत
सोशल
ही
मीडिया
ज्यादा.
पे देखा उसको?
क्या?
कहीं पे देखा है उसको, लाइक सोशल मीडिया
सोशल
वगैरह?
सोशल मीडिया पे देखा है, बट हाँ फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है, अभी तक एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, देखते हैं.
Maybe
कोई नहीं,
we will watch the
फेमस हो
video
जाएगा.
someday. Well,
Let's hope
there
for the
was no
best.
such thing, Forrest. I just asked to.
see guys, this is another content that I can make a vlog of. Like ऐसे करते रहो. It's very easy to prank him. It's naturally, it just comes out.
It's very cute.
सुबह उठो कुछ कर लो, हो
Yeah,
जाएगा.
just like
Yeah.
every time we all are
Like-
together, content ऐसे
Like
बन जाता है. Should we
Like for
pause?
example, सुबह उठ के तुम बोलोगे पौरुष बेल बजा
वो
रहा है, कोई जाके खोल दो. वो जाके चेक करेगा, कोई नहीं है, प्रैंक खत्म. Like he will,
वो देखो कैमरा उधर है.
that easy to prank him. It's just you tell him, he'll believe it. It's that simple.
Shubhu, hello, Shubhu.
हेलो, पूरा हेलो ही लग रहा है वो.
Shubhu.
Shubhu.
शुभ.
आज की
आने
कोई
को
आने को है.
कोई आने को है.
Where is
Oh.
Shubhu?
Where did she go?
My cheek.
Guys, my
Ah,
cheek
no.
is paining. Is it just
Yeah.
me or my cheek is paining?
Yeah,
मेरा भी वही है.
No, I think
No, I
in
think-
general
I
very
नहीं, मेरा in
joyous.
general video calls में हो ही जाता है because I'm just so happy looking at you guys. I think
No, but
Shubhu
why
का
is
phone
my
off हो
cheek
गया.
paining, yaar? I thought it was just me.
Oh.
Thank God.
Oh.
Oh, I can feel my
I've seen
jawline.
some people like actually getting क्या बोलते हैं उसको, खिंच जाता ना, ऐसा नंब हो जाता है. यो क्या
What
हुआ?
happened?
I hate Vodafone.
I
I hate it.
You hate?
I wish ऐसा
Vodafone.
Vodafone. Shubhu, I don't know if you guys like remember.
भाई ये क्या लहरा रहा है?
अरे yes.
मुझे लगा क्या जीत के
Coffee
आए.
Bite I want. Remember Coffee Bite?
Coffee right करना है.
Stars are fine.
What?
कौन बोला इसको इसकी आवाज अच्छी है बे?
Okay, let's continue.
एक सेकंड, मैं बैकग्राउंड में थोड़ा चेंज करता हूँ, एक सेकंड.
वैसा ही दिखने वाला है तू.
अरे
Stars are fine.
Shubhu, where are you busy? Shubhu थोड़ा अपना कैमरा ऊपर करना. अरे what is that?
Oh, Kanja,
Parush.
Kanja.
Parush,
नहीं नहीं
yaar.
नहीं, वो उसके लिए तो अलग है, एक सेकंड रुक जा. Yeah. Okay, so this question is for Samar.
Hmm.
Shivam, sorry. Shivam Samar. So this is from Mona Lika 7781, and the question is, did you stop believing in love when Shreya died?
बहुत depressing हो
No,
गया.
I think
Like,
Samar never stopped believing in love because that's how he is, still like in love with her. Like, that's why he's still, मतलब प्यार कैसे कम होगा? तभी तो वो बीच में जाके बैठता है अभी भी और बातें करता है.
Isha, I have a question for you. How do you manage with How do you manage with Raghav's office? And this is by Akansha.
Raghav's office is not the problem.
Raghav is the problem.
I mean,
Raghav is the problem.
yeah.
Though Isha loves Raghav, but
I,
Raghav.
I mean, कुछ ज़्यादा ही मुझे वो
What is
कॉलेज
wrong with Parish?
Parush, yaar.
ये अच्छा लग रहा है.
ये
No, but
कार्बन लगता है.
like I think what she is trying to ask Akansha is, कि Isha, how does Isha manage with all the timing wala thing about Raghav that he's not able to separate personal and professional.
So, I think it's important, like if you're in a relationship, it's important to balance each other out, and it will come with your pros and cons. That has to be balanced out. And yeah, for Raghav, a major con is the fact that he's always busy. He never has time to prioritize his personal life. But
There's only one shirt.
yeah, that too.
Yeah, right.
But I think Isha's affections for Raghav goes beyond just the fact that he doesn't have time. Um I really personally admire the patience she shows, because I lack a little bit of patience myself. But
Of course, you will admire. No, you are the Isha. No, of course, you will
No,
admire.
but
no,
actually, when
I
I was
don't have her
when I
patience.
was saying that Isha is actually one of the most cutest and amazing character, this is because like there's a lot to learn from Isha. If you
Yeah.
whenever like, because I edit all the time and I keep watching those things again and again, and I realize how she's so, like like they reach a point where their fight is going on, and then she just very calmly handle it. She just like, she either walks away or she comes back the next day and she just forgets whatever happened. So that's a very good quality about Isha.
Hmm.
you know
I'm personally not like her. I'm not as patient as she is. But yeah, that is one quality I really admire in Isha. She's extremely patient. So I think it's her patience and her love for Raghav which keeps her going. And these two things are very crucial in a relationship.
Parush की
Just
जगह अलग ही धूप हो रही है.
Paurush is
मस्त
in,
है ऐसा.
I don't know which part of the equator he is at. He is in some different time zone.
I'm on the right side of the
okay.
equator.
So Rachel,
Yeah.
this is a question for Rachel. What do you feel for summer?
Oh.
This is Rutva Lashkari who's asking you this. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Isha,
Hi,
what do you feel?
Rutva. Huh?
Huh?
Now say, yeah,
I
Isha, what do you feel for summer?
why do you keep saying Isha? मैं
Arey, sorry.
this is like
भाई
that
उसका नाम
situation where Ross just cannot stop.
Ross is Rachel.
So this is
Rachel.
like,
Hey Rachel.
this is Rohit's love for Isha,
Love.
not Raghav's love. This is Rohit's love for Isha. You just keep calling
राघव
everyone.
अभी, रोहित अभी भी
Yes,
कैरेक्टर से निकला नहीं है.
yes. Yeah, we can
हाँ.
keep it though. Yes, Rachel, so what is your love for summer?
My feeling for
Feeling,
summer.
yes.
I
Rachel.
feel love for summer. Very pure form of love where I will always be there for him. That I am sure about. very protective about Samar also. Yeah.
And what does Rachel feel for me?
Good
God,
one.
nice one. Good question.
Varun, yeah, you are my best friend, yeah.
Varun, I love you, yaar. Varun, like that.
Yeah.
I love you, yeah, Varun.
Yet
But
again, he's
seriously,
slightly.
like how Rachel, like I think about it, like just think about it, like real में ऐसा होता है, like you just randomly meet people and they just like become everything, like
Yeah.
for example, how me and Rohit personally how we met so randomly because
Oh,
Oh
because
shit.
I
Yeah.
was making Through the Rainbow and the guy who wrote it he suggested me let's cast Rohit like this Through the Rainbow is our like school project short film and so if अगर वो मूवी हम नहीं बनाते तो हम कभी मिलते नहीं and eventually ये चीज नहीं होती like small things like how
Shout out
Rohit
to
met.
Abhishek.
सब दिखा है.
Shout out
Shout
to
out to Abhishek.
Abhishek
हाँ.
Pratap,
Abhishek
seriously
Pratap.
dude,
Oh
thank you
yeah.
like because Abhishek Pratap actually like that's how like me and Rohit met. Me
Yeah.
and
हुआ
Paurush were like
Canteen. We
friends
met in the canteen.
from yeah मैं और पौरुष सबसे पहले से हैं like we were like friends like शुरू पहले से and that was also a coincidence because वो मेरा डॉममेट बनकर आया था पौरुष ने लेट ज्वाइन किया था थोड़ा सा एक वीक 10 दिन पता नहीं like something like that and वो मेरा डॉममेट
Mhm.
बन के आया था
He was Shivam's roommate, but then I mean Porish and I we were friends. Like we
yeah
knew each other. But Shivam and I we had never spoken before.
yeah
Like
for like 2 years and हम लोग last year में friends बने and these small things how we just like what if like you never met Shubhu and you guys
yeah,
never
exactly.
became like like
And
and
then
like
after that
I
day,
think about all of this too much and that's how
Same.
this whole idea came like
after the day I met him, I think we spent almost every night in your hall.
every night
For
like
1 year,
yeah
that day when we met, I think that was the first time we met,
that
and
first day only
since that
when
evening,
we met we
since
actually
that
met for
night,
reading that script Through the Rainbow का
we've met
and
for the
हमने वो नहीं
script.
पढ़ा we just started talking कि अरे तू अच्छा वो भी है ना and then we were just talking about like college and everything
Random things,
random things and just like सुबह अभी बात करते करते and then next day I met him in the camp like bro आज आना we'll talk about that topic and ऐसे करके that's how we became really
और मेरे को सोने को नहीं मिलता था.
yeah and Paurush वो like Paurush हमारा roommate था तो Paurush बहुत गुस्सा होता था.
He's a very punctual
Paurush
guy
is
when it
super punctual. He sleeps like till college. He was very punctual. Then we all started living together in one house, and
आज तो
then
बहुत
Then I got
permission
spoiled.
लेके उसको
then
Le
जगाया
mom,
हमने.
le mom, when she like ये दोस्तों से दूर रहना इन लोगों से दूर रहना
Yeah.
we are that people.
We were his guide.
I have one question for Samar. I am hate is asking आपकी पूरी स्टोरी बताओ. I mean आपने कैसे सब सोचा, कैसे लिखा, आप सब कैसे मिले? So
अरे भाई ये तो like आधा आंसर हो ही गया.
yeah.
हम लोग कैसे मिले like मैं और पौरुष एकदम
मिले
शुरू
तो
से
अभी
फ्रेंड्स
तो
थे.
बोले हाँ.
फिर वही then मैं और आर्या फ्रेंड्स बने थे and फिर रोहित और आर्या ऑलरेडी क्लासमेट्स थे. फिर मैं और रोहित मिले. रोहित और शुभू फ्रेंड्स
Mohit
बने.
and I also never like spoke when
Yeah,
like
हाँ
we
मतलब
and
they were
Arya were
classmates.
classmates, but we never spoke.
हाँ but somehow वो group ऐसा बन गया like the how it
हाँ.
happened and
into
then it like हम लोग की real bonding हुई थी actually रोहित के birthday पे.
oh
हाँ.
When
that.
we were still in college but we just like we decided
That was
we'll
the
all
first time
go.
I hung out with Shubhu.
Yeah same
It's the
शुभू
first
हम लोग रोहित के birthday पे मिले थे and somehow we all became friends and ये लोग मतलब मैं और पौरुष सबसे पहले ग्रेजुएट हुए थे एंड ये लोगों को स्टिल एक साल था बट उस एक साल में वो जो लास्ट के 6 महीने होते हैं इंटर्नशिप वाले तब दे ऑल हैड टू फाइंड अ प्लेस एंड आई थिंक आई एम वेरी पॉजिटिव लाइक मैं बहुत जिद करता था इन लोगों से प्लीज प्लीज घर पे रहो यहीं पे रहो एंड इन लोगों को लाइक कभी कभी सिर्फ वीकेंड मिलता था. आई रिमेम्बर फ्राइडे सैटरडे एंड संडे को दे हैड टू गो बैक
Every
टू कॉलेज.
Thursday I used to get his message कि
प्लीज
उसको
आ
बोला
जाना.
group guys weekend आ रहा हो please आ जाओ तुम.
Yeah, and then because college was like 2.5 hours, 3 hours away almost, and ये लोग संडे को ही निकल जाते थे, but मैं रोकता था, रोने लगता था मैं कि प्लीज मंडे को जाना सुबह, and all of that was happening. So yeah, so I'm story तो ऐसे आई थी, like one day I actually left my job, and then rest of the characters are like कहीं ना कहीं inspired है real life से ही, like a lot, like not completely. So all the good part of each character is from the real life only. Like all the good qualities of Raghav is from Rohit's life only. All the good quality of Isha is from Shabu's only. So all of that.
Hmm.
So yeah, and plus we are planning to make a full documentary kind of a thing, so you'll know more about it. अभी तो पूरा explain करेंगे
Understood.
तो like काफी time लग जाए. We are having a dinner or what?
Your mom will be proud.
Yeah.
Shubhu?
Yeah.
This whole interview is going on. Shubhu is quietly having her dinner. ऐसा नीचे से थोड़ा
मैं
थोड़ा मैं
वही
जब से देख रहा हूँ. मुझे लगा chewing gum खा. Yeah,
वो
मुझे भी लगा
वो
chewing
वो
gum खा रही
मीम
है.
देखा है, वो मीम देखा
Classic
है टीचर,
quarantine work from home.
नहीं वो
कौन सा?
टीचर बोलती है नो फूड इन द क्लास, बैक बेंचर्स
वो
सब
ऐसे
बना रहे
कढ़ाई.
हैं, खाना कढ़ाई में बना रहे हैं. ये वही है.
So, Raghav, Himanshi_0812 wants to ask you a question that why are you so handsome, man? Heart.
Thank you, Himanshi, for this question. Well, I think all thanks to my dad, my parents. Then
Very
मतलब,
nice.
it's genes, it's
I would like
genetics.
to I would like to dedicate this
Firstly, I would
handsomeness
like
to
to
my
thank my
family.
parents. Then I would like to thank my teachers for being good. But then, yeah, thank you. I mean, I guess it's the South Indian genes. That's what I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks to Pune.
वो साउथ इंडिया में आता है.
I've lived all my life in Pune now. That's why.
Hmm.
So
चलो.
Pune has like shaped your face.
जी.
How?
Yeah. In a way, yeah.
How?
गर्मी पड़ती है ना उधर बहुत.
हाँ, temperature, climate, all these factors.
Yes.
Sculpted my face like that.
हाँ. See, अभी बॉम्बे जैसे आऊंगा तो बॉम्बे में तो फिर पोरे जैसी शक्ल हो जाती है मेरी. That's it. So अभी पुणे में रह के so that's.
So the next question is for Varun.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Rupal3260 is asking,
Hmm. Yeah.
is there any particular effort that you had to put behind the character of Varun?
Actually, technically, no. Well, because I knew that the character which I was playing was my character only. It's me in real life, and yeah, it's me in real life. So the only effort I had to put was rehearsing the lines. That's all.
It was a natural transition from Parish
Yeah,
to Varun.
Varun.
yeah. Whenever the camera is on, I'm Varun.
Shivam, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
This is by Bandanam_Mullur. What is the best thing about your life?
About my life,
Yeah.
that I have you guys. Like,
Oh,
Oh,
no, like
oh.
seriously.
no, but we love you too, man. I love you too. I love you all, so it's fine.
I
We
love
all
you.
love. We all.
Too much love. Next question.
I mean, just cut it, yaar, cut it.
Just cut it, yeah, cut it. There's one question. How did you guys decided on the name Rachel? So
I think this is from friends, no? I mean,
yeah,
Yeah.
so actually like the whole friends. So yeah, even I have it here. So yeah, so like because somehow I wanted to showcase like how it is connected to the whole thing that Summer loves uh, friends, and eventually they all watch it. So that's the first scene of the summer story. Like when the camera moves towards the TV and वो चल रहा है television पे हमेशा friends चालू रहता है. So and that's how when he like वो जब Rachel अपना नाम बता दी तो वो shock जाता है. I think we could have kept it Monica also, Phoebe also, but the whole there was something about the name Rachel, and plus just like that's how like the main reason is friends only.
Friend is very symbolic in our life, I feel. Boo.
मैं एक बार
Someone
लाइट ऑन
asked-
करके आता हूँ.
Someone asked
Light
Prabhu
on
for
करके आता हूँ.
he looks like such a sleazy, matlab guy.
Smart, funny.
It looks like he's sitting on his own lap, Borush. Why are you sitting on your own lap?
Aurangzeb.
Shubhu, are you paused or are you like
अरे हाँ ये
Shubhu? Oh, Shubhu is
अरे
gone again.
Right.
रोहित देखने
Rohit, look at him.
अबे
Sorry, just Sarata.
क्या?
ये देख
Okay, forget. Okay. Forward. So next question is for Shubhu. Shubhu, Rutva Lashkari is asking, what do you look for in a boy when you're finding your soulmate?
I think I am the sort of person who just is very dedicated. So if I am like that, I would want him to be like that as well. Like
Mhm.
if I'm giving him
Guys,
100%, I want 100% as well. So I won't ever give up on him. He shouldn't give up on me because I can be a little testing at times. But
Difficult person.
yeah, I can be a difficult person. That's true. But yeah, I would want him to just stick by me. So his support is what I want. Like he should be supporting me through my good times and my bad times. If he is able to do that, then he's perfect for me.
जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी.
Yeah, like he should be able to like be with me through my bad phase as well. I think that is very important. So you give up, like it's good, it's okay and easy to stay with someone during a good phase. What actually tests you is if that person is there in your bad phase. So that is the biggest test I feel one should go through while finding or looking for your perfect person.
true,
Hmm.
correct. There's one question from Sunny to Varun. Uh, can you talk about the most, like, your most good love life? The one,
I
the
don't have a
one girl
good.
you, the one girl you cannot forget.
Oh, well, I can't forget a lot of people in my life.
But like that one girl. Who's that one girl?
That
We'll
one
beep
girl,
the
which
we'll beep the name if you want.
that one girl. Yeah, the girl with whom I fell in love with. She when I was in 12th standard. Again,
No,
one-sided love. एक
like this is for actual relationship. Like
Yeah, like
you have
recent or
mentioned.
something, no?
No,
like
your
a
most
relation.
that
नहीं
one.
क्या क्या कहना क्या चाह रहा है क्या कहना चाह रहा है
I'll read the.
हाँ हम्म
Can you please talk about that one love bracket में relationship of your
हम्म
life which you cannot which you still cannot forget, which you can't move on from.
Does she know already? इतना इतना precise पूछा उसने.
Yeah.
कि
Okay. Parish,
या
you have to talk about the entire relationship. Okay. Like why you can't forget it, whether for a good or bad reason. Okay. So I'll read the question again.
अच्छा
फिर से
तो वो
बन.
कहना चाह रहा है कि क्या वो मतलब वो कहना चाह रहा है कि ऐसी कौन सी रिलेशनशिप है जो तुम भूल नहीं पा रहे हो ऐसा है
हाँ, भूल नहीं पाया as in
हाँ
for good or bad reason. Like it was so memorable, that the person was so
And
special,
relationship,
something.
12th वाला तेरा relationship में तेरा crush था वो.
हाँ, like a relationship, but even if it's for a month or anything.
Even if there was nothing
हाँ
more
या हाँ
Non-existent.
personal.
ठीक है हाँ हाँ
Yeah.
ठीक
Non-existent.
No.
हाँ.
है okay so there was this girl with the name and like so we were in I think I don't know whether it was a relationship or not but हम लोग like एक महीने तक थे and then she taught me a lot of lessons like 2019 was the year of lessons for me. I learned a lot about people. I learned a lot about relationships. I learned a lot about life. Yeah.
Hmm. So again, this was not a question
Question
for
था
this.
ही नहीं, तो question था ही नहीं. ये question था ही नहीं.
I asked 3 times. All 3 times I said the different thing.
Oh,
horrified
मेरे
question.
को पता था ये क्वेश्चन नहीं था बिकॉज़ मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में समझ गया था ब्रो मैं इतना Shit.
Okay.
Oh,
Was we love you, Paris. Okay.
नहीं नहीं वो
Next
सेंसर कर
question.
देना वो जो बना है. Yes.
Yeah.
hey, someone is saying Summer, Neelu9499. Nothing
Yeah.
to ask, just love your acting.
Oh, thank you so much. Ready? Okay. So next question is for Varun.
Yeah.
Mayank Unlimited is asking, how do you face failures? How do you deal with failures?
The first thing about if you want to deal with failures, you have to stop believing in failures. Either it is success or it is limited success, like, or it's not your time yet. It's just that. अगर आपको failure से deal करना है तो failure को you have to stop believing in failure. There's nothing like failure. It's just life is just a journey. That's all.
सब अच्छा है.
सब
You,
अच्छा है.
you should
सब
always
अच्छा है.
believe in सब अच्छा है.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hmm.
So, hi, Sky is asking the turning point of your life.
I'm saying मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं कि ये point of this point was a big turning point, but then I can say that something that made a big difference was when I started working out. That time, like before that, I wasn't really confident about myself, to be honest. I wasn't a very social person. I wasn't all of that. But then I think after I started working out, that really, really changed my life in a positive way. In fact, me and Shivam started talking in a way because of that.
Yeah, I was
So,
like, मुझे भी please body बनवा दे.
that's how that was the first time we came to like he said we were gonna discuss the script of the Rainbow. He came to me. He's like, वाह यार gain हो गया. Anyway, script की बात करते हैं ऐसा करके. That's how the conversation started. But then yeah, I think that was a very big turning point for me at least.
Isha, what do you do in real? Like, what's your job in real life? So
I
high
work in an
sky.
ad. Hi, I work in an ad agency right now. Before this, I was in public relations. So yeah, I'm an agency person, just toiling through life.
And an amazing actress.
Yeah,
No, I'm anything but an actress. It's just
no, you
these
act
guys.
very well.
No,
It
seriously,
just
you.
comes naturally to her.
Shut up, Parsh. Shut up.
एक सेकंड में मैं लाइट ऑफ करके आता हूँ यार, रुक जा.
Yo.
Just from Ujjwal_virus. Rachel
Who?
दीदी आप इतने cute and attractive कैसे हो?
Hi, Ujjwal. And thank you. I don't know.
संतूर.
Thank you. Love you.
Wait, I have one from actually one from I_Aniket. She is too cute.
Arey.
Then I have one
Thank you,
from
Aniket.
Lecter_con Cafas. I don't know it. She's also saying just wanna say you're cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There is one Akansha_AB.31. She's saying, what do you like the most in Summer's home?
Summer's home.
Yeah, like basically
His
our house.
room. That
Our
wall.
house, yeah.
That wall. And those friends ka poster. The whole
I miss
room.
that
Very
room so
warm
much.
and that room is more homely.
A bit careless has asked you. She looks so warm and kind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Thank you so
not
much.
asked, but then said whatever. Shrestha Kranti has said, and she said, "इतना cute कैसे?"
किसे?
अरे कैसे? किसे नहीं?
किसे?
ईशा को.
ईशा को किससे
अच्छा.
कर
उसको थोड़ा सा उम्मीद जग गया उसको. मेरे को बोला क्या मेरे को? It wasn't for me.
Hey Samar, someone is asking how Anusha 8 how to be a part of your team. I'm ready to do any sort of work, but I wanna be a part of your team.
Hi Anusha. We we are always open. We would love to collaborate with as many
Yeah.
people as possible. You can email me on shivamgemini@gmail.com or daringonesfilms@gmail.com anytime. Put the caption in caps like collaboration or something. So, I'll read. And like I'll read anyway, but then, just in case. So yeah. There's
So,
one question for Varun.
Hmm.
Where is it? Wait, it disappeared. I'm not thinking, I'm not making up any. हाँ, in Spanish, in
अरे प्रैंक था
Spanish,
क्या? ये भी प्रैंक है?
in Spanish underscore 1198 is asking, is he single and
Hmm.
ready to mingle? I love him so much the day I saw him in the series. Since the day. So are you
Oh,
single
thank
and
you so
ready to
much.
mingle?
Yeah, I'm single and yeah, I'm ready to mingle also.
There's another by Zoya for Varun. Varun,
Yeah.
is Varun going to be single in this season also?
Well, I really hope I am not single in this season because बहुत बुरा हो जाएगा, बहुत अति हो जाएगी. So I hope I'm not single in this.
No, I
I
think I
hope I
think
find someone.
I think you'll find out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope I find someone.
Rohit,
Lovely, lovely surprise.
Lovely.
Rutva Lashkari is asking, what is love for you?
पुणे.
Isha.
अच्छा, ईशा.
No,
Add
not
factors.
Raghav, for Rohit.
Question किसके लिए? ईशा के लिए, मेरे लिए?
Rohit, Rohit.
Rohit.
Okay. Well, in the series, Isha, yes,
Hmm. फिर
obviously.
शिवांग, अनीश.
No, you guys. So I mean, for me, it's something. It's a way of expressing yourself. Somewhere where you can be yourself. Somewhere where you can be your true self without really uh, pretending even a bit, or trying to be someone you're not, and where you actually able to express. That's love for me.
Isha, for you, Bhadrare is asking, why did you fall in love with Raghav?
Why, ईशा, why?
Why?
Why did you fall in love with Raghav?
Because तब वो unemployed थे.
No, I feel falling in love is a very natural process. You don't think too much, do you? It's like you can connect to someone. You can get that level of comfort with someone, and once that level of comfort is there, falling in love is not that difficult because you know that that person is your comfort blanket. So I think
Falling
for
in love is very easy.
no, actually, it's not. You need to, like, it's not about the face, it's not about the attitude, it's not about like the shallow things in life. Falling in love, I feel, is about how a person makes you feel more than anything else. So I think Raghav made Isha feel wonderful, which is why she fell in love with him.
Oh.
रोहित उगर नाखून चबा रहा है.
Samar,
Yeah.
Film Review World is asking, explain each character from your point of view.
Mm.
Everyone, including you.
Okay.
You know what? Actually, you can to make it this very so tough. I mean, give one word for each character. How about that?
Yeah.
That will be difficult. One word.
More words is better.
Okay, so about the characters, I think I'll start with Varun. Like I already said कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा real life से inspired हैं. But when I was writing, तो मैं चाहता था कि सब टाइप के जो लोग एक होते हैं जो कॉमन टाइप होता है वो सब टाइप के रहें. एंड प्लस हम अगर रिलेशनशिप भी दिखा रहे हैं तो हर टाइप के, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वरुण इज समवन हु लाइक जिसका कोई रिलेशनशिप में नहीं है बट देन ही इज द वन लाइक हु इज लुकिंग. फिर समर इज समवन हु फाउंड समवन बट ही इज अ लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज्ड बिकॉज उसका एक पास्ट लाइफ के कई डाउट्स हैं. एंड देन देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप आल्सो. ठीक है. तो जब रिलेशनशिप में आते हैं, सो when it comes to like Raghav is a let's start with Raghav, like Raghav. So Raghav में what like few things which I had in my mind कि एक तो someone who's always like confused between the work and personal life जो नहीं दे पाता, and it's a very natural thing. It happens with a lot of people. ठीक है. जब उसका relationship वाला part आता है, so I remember winter story के time पे Karthik was asking, Karthik is the one who's playing a very important role in our series this season. So Karthik is also my childhood friend. So he was asking me, "Ki Raghav, don't you think Raghav, like, what is your answer for कि Raghav like Isha, like Raghav deserve करता है Isha को क्या? Like Isha is like इतनी loving, but Raghav is not giving her any भाव type." So I told him कि like if you notice carefully, he is someone like that's why इस बार हमने हल्का एक flashback दिखाया college का, and he's someone who uh, loves her, like honestly he loves her. He's very loyal. He's not like confused or with anything. Like he's not looking at any other girl also. He's loyal. He's completely like, but उसमें एक वो innocence है, like when बहुत जल्दी life में you get some responsibilities because he is the one who's committed from a very long time. So that's why we have shown some flashback scenes where in college, like there are some conversations between Raghav and Isha where Raghav seems like a little confused. Like it's not, and he's trying his best in his mind, which sometimes make it look like that he is not, uh, loving this Isha equally. But it's not like that. He is loving, and that's why he is so confused in his mind because he wants to figure out things. Ki, nahi, 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 I also want to respond like Isha, but I'm not able to because Isha has passed that stage. She's clear with things. Ki Raghav is Raghav, and this is my life, this is Raghav. But Raghav is still processing, and that's very natural. It doesn't make him, a kind of a person who's not like प्यार में है नहीं ऐसा कुछ. So that is like, you should like ऐसा एक character होना चाहिए. And then Isha is obviously like she is amazing. She is someone who's like very genuine when it comes to either friendship and love. And in this season, there comes a part where she gets an opportunity to go somewhere, and she equally say, ki, you are here to Raghav, and our group is here. So like she's very genuine with everything. She has no like confusing mind or anything. Then
Uh,
Varun,
even Isha, like even when Rachel had come pehli baar,
yeah,
the way she responded was
yeah.
very nice.
And that's why when समर जब पहली बार रेचल को लाता है घर तो समर बोलता है कि तुम
हाँ,
राघव की गर्लफ्रेंड के कपड़े पहन लो वो बहुत अच्छी वो बुरा नहीं
हाँ,
मानेगी
बहुत
so
अच्छा,
that comes out very naturally you know
हाँ,
and that is why somewhere Varun और राघव ईशा को उतना ही इक्वली सपोर्ट करते हैं there is nothing like कि राघव हमारा फ्रेंड तो bro code and all is not there and that is
हाँ,
because they ईशा like she's so genuine कि वो comfortable equally रहते हैं उसके साथ and then Varun is someone who's like Varun is obviously 85% Porush and then that 15% is inspired from all like the struggle you see the actors like that's like me Rohit and Porush we have actually gone to a lot of auditions and we give auditions तो हम लोगों ने जो चीजें देखी हैं all of that is there and then
Point
Varun has this Varun
there
has
was
this kid. Hmm?
there was one point when I think all three of us were sitting in one audition room.
Yeah. Oh damn,
That was
that
so
was
filmy, dude.
too
Like
filmy. हम लोग ने recently एक like audition दिया था तो हम तीनों साथ में एक ही audition देने
हम तीनों ऐसे चुपचाप लिफ्ट में ऐसा जा रहे थे ऊपर.
गए
कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ही स्पोक टू अस. ये नहीं हो जाएगा तुम लोगों का ऐसा कुछ तो बोला था उसे.
he said उसने बोला था I'll let you know if anything comes up.
Yeah. Very generic answer, but then it was very filmy.
कि जो उसमें एक वो innocence है that is very important like वो एक like he like उसका character can be called as a playboy and all but then वो है नहीं like he's a very he is lovable like Joey like Joey how Joey is but then he's a very cute innocent person so you can't really like even if he's like dating 10 girls in 10 days but he'll be very genuine with them he won't break anyone's heart he's that kind of a person like He's very in like the character. Real life, I don't know.
Real life, he's a heartbreaker.
Real
That
life.
comes under the 15%.
I
That is
am
not
a.
possible.
What song is that? I am a
I'm
mucha.
gonna break you.
I am a good boy. I'm a good bad boy. वो क्या था?
I'm a very good bad boy.
Um, so Isha ka character I already said now, but then yeah, one more thing about Isha's character is that I'm really looking forward to people's reaction because they all have seen us earlier, but this time I'm waiting for their reaction for Isha because uh, I really feel she's a very real genuine character. Then coming to Rachel, I always wanted to write a character who's like this is the type which I've met in real life. There are people who are so positive. They just like you talk to them and they just like even if you're an introvert or anything, they just make you feel comfortable and they're not like the annoying ones who just like they just have so such positive vibes. She's like and of course it's inspired from real life also because people who know Arya personally they know how uh, positive she is like and plus actually for people who don't know like I think and nobody knows so she was not the original choice for Rachel. So earlier someone else was playing Rachel and she was the cinematographer. So technically अगर वैसा होता तो हमारे पास एक cinematographer होती और हमें खुद shoot नहीं करना पड़ता. But like some because of some things वो नहीं हो पाया and we had no idea कि who to cast and like I was super sad about it and then somehow like एकदम से then she only suggested like she can have like is there anything she can do about it. I'm like you can play it and then we wanted to keep a genuine like we wanted to keep an authentic voice like because Indian American so that's like to get the American voice we found Ramsha and that's how it happened. So yeah she's very like Rachel is very positive so is Arya and Rachel's character is really amazing like one such person like I was gonna take Adi's name like Adi is like that someone you meet
Oh,
and you yeah right?
anything is happening, you just look at him,
Yeah
you just
like
turn
Adi
on like,
you'll like any random person will also come to our house and if we go inside for 5 minutes we'll come back
yeah,
and they will be
they'll
friends
bond. Yeah.
so Rachel's character is like that she's very easy to talk to and that's how she became friends with Varun and Raghav so quickly and then Isha and what Swani is asking Rachel what made you have faith in someone you had just met then I know you had scripts but for real
If every person that you meet is like Summer, you will have faith without a second's doubt. Every stranger you meet is like him. There is all everything is good in the world.
okay thank you ये पहले से सोचा था क्या such
Huh?
quick answer
Ready रखी थी.
This I was ready
Improv.
for.
okay so there's this one question from Stuti and she's asking everyone okay so the question is your best memory from the sets of A Winter Story I
Yeah,
think
you.
mine was so it was Shubhu's birthday and that day we convinced her that we will shoot one of the most uh, heavy sequence that was like that included so we had to basically go
College.
to our college
Travel.
because and that included 3 hours travel 3 hours one side okay so 6 hours we'll be in the car and she agreed it's her birthday okay like imagine like
Did
how
I
sweet it
remember?
is and
You know,
eventually it turned out to be a great day
Uh,
you know
yeah
something. This actually is a fact. Uh, Schedule was pretty tight. We had to shoot, and then so she was like, "यार छुट्टी ले लो office से," and you were like, "नहीं salary कटेगा,
हाँ
ठीक है?"
हाँ
Nah. Me and like Shubho was we were like, नहीं salary कटेगा, हम छुट्टी लेना मुश्किल है Friday को and also Friday and all. He's like, तुमको दिन में like जो total salary है उसके हिसाब से how much you're getting paid for a day. Then we calculated. He said इतना है. So बोला मैं तुमको पेटीएम करता हूँ इतना, please don't go tomorrow. You will
He actually did
he
it.
actually paid us to take a laugh.
So
I
guys,
remember.
this time it's not
मेरा
completely zero budget. These guys
हाँ,
got paid for one day. For one day.
मेरे entire हफ्ते का खाना निकल गया यार, like legit.
One is the birthday plus college wala shoot wala day. It was really nice. The second one was the day Rohit and I came from office. It was Christmas. We came from
Oh
office
yeah,
all
Yeah,
the way to Bandra,
man.
and
Yeah.
then
Oh yeah.
we were so
Adhumare, we were
hungry.
half dead.
Yeah, and we were so hungry, and we told Shivam ki Shivam, like abhi ruk tu hame khane de, and we actually had some German thing, I don't remember, and then we rushed to this
Bandra Church.
Very
Bandra Church.
nice.
Mount Mary.
Oh, man.
yeah, so that was a very very invigorating day. Yeah, it was really
Festive.
fun,
Yeah.
really fun. Yeah.
Yeah, that
And
day
then
was.
those three were sitting, and it was so nice at the end of the day looking at them like, hey, hi guys. So,
Holy.
Those were the days.
I enjoyed Chacha Wale scene. Like I was not a part of it.
Yeah, actually, it was so much fun to shoot the entire Pintu Chacha sequence.
Yeah. It was very new kuch tha wo.
And
Especially
yeah, yeah.
every time Pintu Chacha had a scene with Raghav. Oh my God, it was so funny the way he had to explain things. And
Actually,
so, like in front of the camera, Pintu Chacha is talking to Raghav and he's explaining about life. And behind the camera, we are all like, yes. Isha is like, हाँ हाँ सही बोल रहे हो.
No, असली वाला
एक तो वो
भड़क गया.
गेटअप में आके पूरा he used to become into Pintu Chacha. तो अलग ही fun
Yeah,
होता था.
My favorite scene, hands. You guys take a guess ना क्या हो सकता है जो हम लोग बहुत हंसे थे.
that
Fight
the fight scene.
Yeah, dude, fight scene, hands down that scene. क्या था? I
That
mean,
scene,
so
the
we
best
had a time
blooper.
crunch. We had a time crunch
The
क्योंकि
most serious
वो
scene.
सुबह का scene था actually, but then
Yeah.
we shot it around 4 to make it look like सुबह था, and then like it was so he was like यार धूप मतलब अभी sunset हो रहा है light जा रहा है we have to shoot, and then literally we have never fought like this in real life, so then like acting was kind of funny. And तो फिर वो natural वो zone में आने के लिए took like कितना 8 takes तो लगे रहेंगे I think. Um,
Every shot.
After every cut, oh, you were
every
laughing.
cut
You were
I think
laughing.
every cut was twice, like मतलब minimum तो हुआ ही था, like एक
Hmm.
बार में तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था कि
वो वाला शूट
literally
ऐसा था कि वी आर फाइटिंग की औकात मेरे तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा एंड ऐसे ही कट होता है एंड वी आर ऑल लाफिंग कि ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते हैं हम लोग.
अरे एक बार तो मेरे औकात में ऐसे शट चालू हो गया था like
मतलब इसका पूरा ऐसा ही था औकात मेरे को तोड़ दूंगा.
and then धक्का देने के बाद we stared at each other for like 2 seconds and we start laughing. So it was very hard to control, but then like इतने takes के बाद वो we just
Yeah.
came into the zone and एक बार कर लिया था हम लोग बस.
Yeah,
That
there's a
was
question. There's a question by Stuti, like which scene took the longest. So it's actually this scene only because
No, this
the
took I
laugh.
think
Fight scene.
more than because I mean ये scene छोटा scene है उसके हिसाब से एक लिए बहुत time लगा.
Yeah.
I mean, this is
Another
like
scene which took a lot of time was just a simple scene where Isha and Raghav are talking, they are walking, and हम लोग ने शूट कर लिया. जब हम घर आए तो हमने देखा कि उस शॉट में पीछे वरुण है जो कि BTS रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है और वो फ्रेम में भी है. एंड हम लोगों ने काफी बिजी रोड पे शूट किया था वो सीन तो उस
it's
और
a good
प्लस
shot.
DJI से किया था तो इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि सीन में कोई आ गया है क्या बिकॉज वी वर मेकिंग श्योर कि फ्रेम सही आए और वो लोग आ रहे हैं बट देन घर आके पता चला कि उसमें वरुण भी बीच में आया है.
Which also reminds me हमने जो सड़क पे शूट किया था मेरा और शिवम का एक शॉट है धूप में नारियल पानी पीते हुए. It was crazy dude that one. वो
Yeah.
भी literally we have crossed roads.
oh,
Like
that.
we crossed the road and all busy traffic. सुबह की बात थी चलो वो बात तो चलो ईशा के साथ was night time तो traffic कम था. It was 11ish, but then 10:30 11ish this was like at 1 2 it was crazy. And सब देख रहे हैं. So we're done with questions.
I personally can't wait.
Yeah. One. I think this Stuti is asking, what is the quality that you love most about Rachel? Arya.
Oh yeah.
That being like Rachel and I have one thing different, which I feel like I like about her is that she's an extrovert. Like I am not. I won't probably just go and sit with a stranger essay. She is very extrovert, and like I would like to be like that. I really
Guys
like that
try.
quality of her. Positivity, obviously, yeah, she's one of the most positive characters. But being an extrovert is something I like more about her. She's not like whoa, not like an annoying extrovert. She's a very cute
Hmm.
extrovert, which I
Yeah.
which I don't know how to become.
True.
Okay, one last question for everyone. Your favorite scene from the series which you are looking forward to for people to
Winter
watch.
Story.
Yeah, from Winter Story.
Favorite scene.
Like I said, actually my favorite scene. I mean, yeah, I had fun shooting the fight scene, but one scene which I myself want to watch is our road shot
Yeah. When we are chasing Varun.
when we're chasing. That was very natural,
हम्म,
bro. That was very natural.
मुझे तो वो देखना जब वो वरुण निष्ठा से मिलता है,
Yeah.
Of course.
The character's name
No,
is Natasha. Natasha.
नताशा से मिलता
Nishta
है.
is the actress.
Yeah.
A very good
Spoiler दे
friend.
दिया,
And
spoiler.
spoilers.
अरे fuck, ये
you
तो
We'll
स्पॉइलर दे
put
दिया
beep.
यार.
We'll put beep.
हाँ.
When Varun teen.
When वरुण टू है.
People were
Yeah.
like, what?
What about you guys, Isha and Rachel?
Mm, I have not. I was not in the house when the fight scene was shot. So I want to see what that conflict is all about.
Okay, yeah.
And I wasn't there. I was just like Rohit or someone else. Someone texted me saying the fight scene is going on right now, and I was not home. So I'm really looking forward to that because I can never imagine the three of them like punching each other or pushing each other or saying anything like that. So it will be great fun watching it, I think. Yeah.
I haven't watched the scene, but the Christmas wala sequence I'm waiting for. I think I'll be enjoying that.
Yeah,
And
even that.
Christmas sequence, the ending one I'm really excited for. Then Varun and Natasha. And I like what happens when all five of us face a crisis. That sequence, pura.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
happens at one point, which I really like that one. The way it's shown.
Borush is damn sleepy now. It's way past his sleeping time.
Boris
Way,
is
way,
struggling.
way.
It's my favorite scene
uh,
is the ending scene.
Yeah, sure.
Like
Which scene?
because it doesn't really
Ending.
end there, the story. Actually, but like there's this whole song sequence which we shot, remember? Uh Shushwat, the one which
Oh,
was shot.
oh,
Oh
that.
yeah.
And so yeah, thanks to everyone who asked us questions.
Yeah, thank you all for
That
sending in the
was
questions.
Thank you
And
everyone.
sorry if a few of you have been missed out because I mean there
yeah.
were so many questions we couldn't
You
cover.
can text them to us. We will answer.
Yeah, we will
Yeah.
reply to you.
Yeah.
We will reply to you personally, definitely.
Yeah, big thanks to everyone for so
Yeah.
much love, and we really hope.
Thank you.
And a small request to all of you, like if you like Winter Story, please share it, like because that's what we really need, like for it to reach more and
I
more
think we
people.
wanted to grow. We wanted to grow organically. I think that
Yeah,
is how
like
If
and
you like it,
also we don't have money to really promote it,
Yeah.
promote.
to be honest.
So I
So
mean,
yeah,
even if you share to like, I mean,
yeah, just
even
like
if you share to
like
one person makes a big difference. So please do.
spread love.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and peace, spread love, a lot of love.
Thank you. I hope you like I hope you like the season.
I
This
hope
Yeah,
season.
you guys enjoyed this
Yeah.
interview.
Enjoy this even more
Yeah.
than
This
the first
Q&A.
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hope you all had fun. Sorry if it was long, but this is like after a very long time we all like,
We
got a
all have
chance to
also.
interact.
Thank
No,
you.
Isha,
we
Isha is like,
interact a lot, but it's just how we interact. We interact for
Yeah.
long.
okay,
So
guys.
fun,
So
guys.
thank you so much,
Bye.
everyone, for
Thank you
watching
so
this.
much,
Love you
Madala.
guys.
Bye bye, and lots of love.
Bye, bye, bye. Thank you.
Yeah, thank